Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. QuickBooks Online includes hundreds of reports that you can run and customize to find what your business needs. Let's go over how to run a report, customize it, create a chart from it, and then save it so you can run it again later. Select Reports. The Report Center organizes reports by general subject. You can look through these groups to find a report, or you can search for what you want. Let's run a Sales by Customer detail report. This report gives you details about sales transactions like invoices and sales receipts, totaled by customer, within the selected date range. Let's change some of the details. Select the drop-down to change the date range. Let's run the report for this year to date. Now the date range is wider, so the report includes more transactions. You can also change whether the report is on the cash or accrual basis. We're using this report to see how much we sold to a customer, so we don't need some of these columns. Let's remove some. Select Columns. In the Reorder tab, you'll see all the columns currently on the report with a check. To remove a column, uncheck it. You can select and drag columns to reorder them. And you can add columns that other QuickBooks users commonly add to reports like this. If you use QuickBooks Online Advanced, you can use the More Columns tab to look through a full list of options. The report totals sales by customer, but because it lists each sale as a row, you have to scroll to see more customers. So let's customize the report. Select this button, and then Collapse All. Now the report shows each customer's total. Select an arrow next to a customer's name to see the details. Perhaps you only want to see sales that relate to a specific customer, product or service, dollar amount, or other detail. You use filters to narrow down what QuickBooks puts on the report. Let's filter this report by dollar amount. That is greater than or equal to $500. Now you only see lines on sales transactions that are equal to or greater than $500. You can use general options to change other aspects of a report, like number format and what's included in the header and footer of the report. Right now, the report totals sales by customer, and that column appears first. But you can change how QuickBooks totals the report. Select Group. Then the drop-down. Let's total the sales by product service. Now QuickBooks lists each product or service sold over the date range, all of the sales for the product or service, and a total. Select a column header to resort the report using that kind of data. Select the product service column header, and QuickBooks sorts the report alphabetically by product service. Select More Actions, Email Report to send it to someone, and you can select Export Print to export or print to these formats. If you use QuickBooks Online Advanced, you can use your reports to create helpful charts. Select Chart View. Here is the report you built, displayed as a chart. Use these settings to change the chart. If you use QuickBooks Online Advanced, you can also use pivot tables to reorganize your reports. Let's make this report display customers as rows, products and services as columns, and the values as amounts. Now you see each customer, the products they purchased, and the total dollar amounts of each. If you want to run this report again later without going through these steps again, select Save As. From now on, you can select Reports, Custom Reports, and select the report to run it again with the latest transaction data. Now you're ready to run and customize reports in QuickBooks Online.